Diwali, everybody. Let's get ready. Okay, so first things first, I need to go and get ready. I forgot
to blend.
Okay, so outfit is ready, and now I'm gonna do my hair, and I'm thinking of just putting it in a pony with just some bangs out. I'm gonna take out the section that I want, and then I'm gonna finger coil it. Whee! Oh my god. Look at the spray. And it's from freaking Timu. Don't play with me right now. See, I used to actually have one, but it was just... See, it's already wavy. So we're gonna hold it. We're gonna go like this. My phone is slipping. I can see it slipping in real time. Hold on, 2 minutes, please. 32, 33, 51. I'm joking, it was 40, but I got 2. Impatient. Woohoo! Okay guys, you know it's time for makeup now, but this is how my hair looks like. I need to redo this. I tried to redo it and then it became worse and worse and worse and worse and worse. So don't even talk to me about it. Like every time I'm starting with the E45 cream because I feel like this is literally the best moisturizing cream. And I'm looking up because that's basically where my mirror is. I can look in here, but it's just weird. And I'm going to put a lot because my face has actually been very dry lately. I'm going to put some Vaseline right now because my lips are so dry already. Cream on. This is the one I'm putting on. None of these are sponsored. Just things I use. And these are not the best products or the worst products. I don't know. I just buy the one that my mom recommends or the ones I find in the store. And the ones that work the best for me is this. This is my mom's. And I got my hands on it. And it's like a tone-up cream. And I use it for my under eyes foundation. And this is the best foundation ever. It's creamy. It's literally creamy. Let me show you. So you roll it up like this. And then flawless. Look at this. Look at the difference. It's literally so cool. See this area? Gone. Gone. Okay, that's enough. I don't know why I'm putting so much on. I just needed you guys to believe me. Come on, man. Allow it. Not sponsored once again. I don't have the best routine ever, but my routine isn't that bad, but I'm just winging it, so I just want you to know. This is supposed to be contour, but it doesn't look like contour because it's too different of a shade, but I think it looks cute. See, so look, it's like a reddish tone, but I really like the look that it gives me. The look that it gives me. I forgot to blend my guys. I'm doing this much makeup because I want to get good pictures. And yeah. What the hell? Now for blush. I'm gonna use this extremely cheap one because I have this one, but I like it too much. And I need it for prom. It's like in 1 year and I need it. So I'm not gonna use it. This is not too bad either. I don't like it. But it's bad. It's not that bad. That's cute. I'm gonna put it here because my face is kind of round, and every time I put it here, my face just looks bigger. I'm gonna put it right here. Okay, I look like a fucking clown. It's fine. Okay, now I'm gonna go with the red one because I look like a fucking pumpkin. Okay, there you go. Okay, I ended up going there anyway, so it's fine. Ooh. It's called Role Model with an ROLL. Role Model. The reason I'm quiet all of a sudden is because I feel like somebody's listening to me for some reason. Oh my god, I've never put that much concealer on my life. I'm being brave. Okay, I don't know why I'm putting so much makeup on. Okay, now I'm feeling guilty for some reason. I don't know why I'm putting so much makeup on. Like, I'm literally not going anywhere. Use pressed powder scrape. Got it on there. It's difference. See? Shiny, matte. On this side. I don't like a shiny forehead because it makes it look bigger. Add some more of this one. I don't know what this is from. Somebody tell me what this is from. I need more. Because as you can see, this girl is rationing on it. I hope my makeup doesn't fly off before we actually do something. Oh my god, I look like a fucking potato now. Oh. Guys, who's your favorite Spider-Man? I like all of them. But I really like the Indian one. He's so funny. I like him a lot. But I really like Tom Holland's Spider-Man. Tobey Maguire has to be my last one. Because he wasn't really in my generation, and his films are kind of like not outdated, but like different tech to what I'm used to. So that's why. Is the easiest step of the way. And this is the cutest thing. This. I'm not gonna use too much because I don't want it to finish. 2 is fine. Just 2. Mix. Perfect. Okay. And then I like how it looks cute with my braces. Come on, guys. Okay, so I want to do something with my hair, so I'm gonna actually braid this part. Okay, now we need to do jewelry, so let's do that. But first, some hand cream. It's this really nice set that I got. Right there, so we can smell this. Okay, now I'm gonna put this perfume on. My friend gave me this one, and it's probably the cutest, like the best smelling. I hate the applicator though. It's so bad. It's literally, it's really bad. I don't know, bro. Like, I'm gonna put. I forgot to blend my guys. Guys, no, that's not funny. That is so unfunny. What the hell? And you guys didn't even say anything. Is this funny to you? Do you find that funny? I do not find you funny at all. Is that funny? Oh my god. What do I have? This is why I never wear these things. Get off! Why is it still there? This is exactly why I don't wear these things anymore. And you guys couldn't even tell me? You guys are so mean. Honestly. I was thinking to wear this clip thing underneath. Because if I do so, then my pony. Oh, what the fuck? Oh, that's not bad. I'm gonna do some of this. Okay. Okay, no, not this color. Let's start with a nice light color. Let's do this one. This is the one I have. There's no logo on it. Weirdly. This is the back. There's no logo for some reason. I'm gonna take this new shape. Okay. I know you can't see, neither can I. I'm gonna put this red shade on in the corner. And then I'm gonna put some gold right here. On the end and then to the end here. Okay, how do you guys like it? Did I ruin it? Tell me. Tell me. Tell me. Tell me. I don't know. I genuinely don't know. Okay, I'm done. I'm gonna fix it up. So I'm gonna stop. Do you guys want me to brush your hair? Okay, that was really bad. Sorry. Okay, I'll stop now. But let's do jewelry. Come here, my children. Come up here. Okay, now this is my full look. It's just a Punjabi suit. And this is it. Like this. Oh, that looks so cute. I need to put gold jewelry because I feel like Punjabi and gold is nice. My Spider-Man right here. I want to be a good person every day. This is a gold bracelet that I have, but I feel like it's too much. Ah! It's not going in. Okay, I found the stuff I use. I'm going to put my chimney back on because I feel like then you guys can get to know the whole look. So in here I have this like light gold. It's not real, I'm pretty sure. So I'm putting this on. Okay. Oh, guys. Come on, bro. You really thought I wouldn't be looking snatched on this special day? I think that's it, guys. So if you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. And I hope you liked my makeup today. And I love you guys so much always. And thank you so much for getting me this far in life. And I love you guys so much. So enjoy the rest of today with me if I end up filming more. So I love you guys so much. Bye.